So you probably already know that most landscaping websites are the same template used over and over and over again. So you've probably tried to stand out by offering maybe AI chatbots or some automations to separate yourself from all the other agencies that the landscapers hate. But here's the problem. What you are offering is not valuable enough, but it also does not stand out. And what I'm about to show you is an animated AI landscaping site, okay, that not only is built to convert leads, but it also looks incredibly good and is SEO optimized. And in this video, I'm going to give you this demo site, show you how to sell it, and give you the exact AI prompts that I use to build it in seconds so you can build it for any landscaping company. Let's jump right in. So this is the landscaping site that I was talking about that I'm giving you for free. And look how cool this is. As I scroll down, you'll notice that the seasons are changing from summer, fall, spring, winter, etc., etc. Look how cool that is. Isn't that awesome? And that's not the only cool part. I didn't just build this to have, a beautiful looking site. It's actually built to convert and has AI integrations inside of it, okay? Now, this is super important for a couple different reasons. Number one, you need to stand out. If you're going to be like every other web designer or every other marketing agency, you need something that stands out. So this will do that. But on top of that, you need something that actually works. Okay, it can't just look good. It needs to be able to convert, because if you can't convert, well, guess what? People aren't going to pay you month after month. So now that you know what this is, let's not waste any of your time, and let's just jump right in to going in and selling this to local businesses. By the way, if you have any questions during this video, drop a comment down below and I will answer personally. So we're gonna come right onto Google. Okay, come to Google Maps, and we're just gonna do landscapers in Denver. Boom. Right there. Now we see a ton of different landscapers. So as you see here, this is going to show you all of the different businesses. Now, the way you have to look at this is not just here's a bunch of businesses on Google. You have to look at this as here are all my leads, because believe it or not, Google is full of leads, okay? And when I say leads, I mean business owners that you can reach out to that will give you money for your AI services like this. So again, I'm going to show you how to do all this, but like this, you just have to understand. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down and we're going to pick out the businesses that may or may not have a good website. So we're going to click this right here. I have no idea what I just clicked onto. That is definitely a potential lead. Okay, we're going to click this guy too. Yeah, website not great. Website's very slow. Looks good, but very slow. I mean, I'm just clicking random websites. I mean, this guy doesn't even have a website. Okay, so I could go on forever just clicking these. I mean, there's so many, and some of them are really like, we'll just use this one. I mean, some of this is just, man. But like I just hear, like this isn't even a website. Any kind of business that doesn't have a great website, you can use that and you can sell them your services. Absolutely. And again, you just go, you click their website, you take a look at it, and if it looks terrible or like stuff like this where it's just not really dialed in SEO wise or anything, you can absolutely give it. I mean, look at this. The spacing is off. Again, I'm not trying to pick on these businesses. I'm just trying to show you that there is a ton, like a ton of different people you can absolutely sell on Google. So that's the first thing. You need to find businesses that have websites that aren't that great. And the way you can know that if you're a complete beginner is if they look like shit, okay, and like you can just tell, and they have no AI integrations. That's proper forms, AI chatbots, anything like that. Again, if you're confused, drop a comment down below and I'll get you taken care of. So from there, once we have this website that we're like, okay, it's not great, we now need to move on the next part, which is essentially recreating this, okay, and giving it to them as the lead magnet to then sell them. So you can absolutely come in here first if you want to, and you can show them this website right here, because this is what I basically have for you as, let's say, your guinea pig. You send it to them, you go, hey, do you like this website? Okay, and you can send via SMS if you're opted in, email, cold call, walk-in. Like there's a lot of different ways to reach out. But the idea is with these businesses, you just want to get in touch with them. I mean, this is great because you can DM them on Instagram right here. Like they're wide open. Again, I'm not saying to go bother this business. This is for educational purposes only. The idea is that door, they leave this door open, which is great. Now, here's the thing. This is where it gets really, really important. You can absolutely just send them this right here, which I've already pre-built out for you, or we can immediately, in real time, vibe code their website using an amazing vibe coder and give it to them so it matches their business, and that's going to raise the chances of you selling them like crazy, okay? Now, I have this AI prompt I'm going to give you completely for free, as with this, where we can just take this exact thing, put it in this vibe coder, and we're good to go. So I'm going to show you this right now. I want to let you know the vibe coder I'm using is GoHighLevels. And what GoHighLevel has done really graciously is they've given me a 30-day free trial to give to you, which is exclusive, by the way. If you check on their website, they only have a 30-day free trial. And what GoHighLevel is an AI-powered software that has all of the AI tools you could possibly need, okay, for growing a business. Now, here's the cool part. With that 30-day free trial, you can trial this out for free, and if you don't like it, cancel. It's not even that expensive. It's like 97 bucks with the first plan, so it's not expensive regardless. But even if you wanted to just see what this is all about, you can try it, and if you hate after 30 days, cancel. That's why this is such a good offer. And I'm also giving you all of this stuff for free, like this amazing prompt. It's going to blow you away. Plus this amazing template. I'm even going to throw in my entire free community for you. If you're using the software under me, again, you can try it for 30 days. It'll also be free after. You just have to use it, which has places where you can learn, talk to people, videos you can watch, even live calls you can attend on Zoom with me. Again, it says free, and other coaches. I mean, no one gives away what I give away. If you don't believe me, click the link down below and look at the testimonials. I could yap all day, but like, this is insane. No one does this. This is worth $15,000. We give it to you for free, and we give all the hand-holding you could possibly need. And the last thing I'm going to say before we go and vibe code the crap out of this website, which is just really important, is that like, you can try all of this for free, and if you hate it after 30 days, you can leave. That's how sure I am that this is the best thing online. I'm serious. I believe I have the best community. I really do, because we give away more than anyone, and we give it all for free. And if you really don't like it, you can leave after 30 days. That is how sure I am. So check that out. And if they're running a promo, make sure you snag that. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this exact prompt, okay, after you have reached out to said business, and we're going to put this prompt right in here in the vibe coder. Which, if you come to Go High Level, it will be the AI Studio. You just click that right there, and then you will be good to go. And from there, all we have to do is snag the exact URL of the website we want, and this is going to drastically change it. And we're going to come right here, and we're just going to paste this right in here, and we're going to click enter. And no joke, this AI software, by typing this in, is going to build out all of this. And don't worry, I'm going to get into pricing in a second and more sales tips. Don't worry. Yo, look at that. Look at this. Look at that. It changes seasons as well, and it matches this exact website. We could even talk to it and make it make more changes. But look at this. We took a rather dull website with improper formatting to transform to something that looks freaking awesome with responsive pictures. I mean, look how nice this is. Like, it's a world-class website. Smart forms, it's got it all. Guys, this is the power of Go High Level AI. This is why we want to use this, is because businesses need this. That's why you guys got to get in on this. Now, again, I don't have the mastermind to sell you, so this isn't fake FOMO. This is real. Businesses don't have this right now. If you don't believe me, go and just search through Google and see if these businesses have any sort of, not just responsive, beautiful-looking websites, but any kind of AI attached with stuff like this, where it's AI agents that talk to you on the phone and all that other stuff. Like, this is the future, and you gotta get in on it now. And I swear, I say this so much, but people are missing out on it. So now that you understand exactly what we're doing, which is using these amazing websites, and you understand how to reach out to the local businesses, also too, if you guys want, more help on cold calling, cold DMing, sometimes like all these different ways to get clients, I have a ton of videos on my channel. So drop a comment down below, I'll send it to you. But also inside of this community, we have calls literally dedicated to helping you, like, directly on Zoom, one-to-one, on making sure you have a better sales process. So they cover that too. And again, that's all free with what you have. So we have all of that good stuff. But now that you understand this, let's go into the next part, which is, okay, you know how to get it in their hands, you know how to use the vibe coder to build it instantly to give them something of high value. Well, the main question then is, well, what do we sell it for? What is the price point? That is where I'm going to break down the concept, okay, of upselling and lead magnets. So what we almost want to do, and you don't have to do this, because you can absolutely sell that website that we just talked about for $1,000, $1,500 easily. If you want that upfront cash, by all means. But what I often recommend people do is, with high level, we can get them on recurring service after and then keep upselling them. It's a much better way to do it, because think about it this way. If you sell a website for $1,000 and then they kind of complain about the price and they want it only for $97, well, your recurring is much less than your upfront. But if you were to charge $300 a month for $500 a month, which you can absolutely do, if you tally in 5-6 months, okay, that's more than $1,500. And then you take that for a year, 2 years, if you do a good job, it's thousands of dollars. And if you stack a bunch of these clients up, it's tens of thousands of dollars. That's how people get past 10, 20, 30K a month, is by doing stuff like this. Now, here's what's really cool about this. And this is where I'm going to go a little bit higher level, okay? So drop a comment down below if you're confused, but this is where I'm going to take it to the next level. We give them that website that we just vibe coded for free. So if you're going to a landscaper, say, hey, here's a website, I just want to help you out, I'll give you free hosting. We then charge them for, let's say, a couple AI services, the smart website, so like the forms and the automations. But then what we do, and this is how we really get our hooks in, is over time, we upsell them to more AI services like this, which is AI agents, which I have other videos on, which I can show you how to do. Do not worry. It's on my YouTube channel. But these are the agents that can talk to you on the phone. Hey, blah, blah, blah. They can message you. Those are the agents we want. Okay, and they're extremely powerful. And you can charge up to $497. So the whole goal is start small and then build your way up. Because if you get 10 clients, okay, I'll just do some math, at $297 per month, doing this exact offer I just showed you, okay, from there, over the next couple months, you can just upsell all 10 of those clients, or all 5 of those clients, or all 3 of your clients again and again until each one becomes worth more. So it's like, yes, you're getting more clients, but you're actually just making the clients you have worth more money. And that's ultimately how you're going to make way more money. Okay? We want to work smarter, not harder. And this is the part that when I see and talk to people online, because I talk to thousands of people about, AI agencies, marketing agencies, SaaS agencies, it's the mistake they all make. They don't understand how to upsell. And with Go High Level, it makes upselling really easy. Because when you use Go High Level's AI features, which are absolutely insane, you can just continually upsell them again and again because you're actually solving a problem. I'm not having you go out and just sell random shit. I'm having you sell things that solve problems. Does that make sense? And with Go High Level, which is the software I have right down below in that 30-day free trial, which is exactly what we use to vibe code this website, we can just keep solving every problem they have. Because guess what happens? Once you build them a website like this that's properly SEO optimized, they're going to get more leads. Guess what happens when they get more leads? Those leads need to be reached out to. Guess what happens when those leads get reached out to? They need to be followed up with. And then from there, they need to be upsold. And then they need to be, asked for reviews. And it's just this whole cycle of things you can help them on till you basically have them all on Go High Level. And from there, if you're running an entire business on this platform, well, guess what? They won't leave you if you're doing it right. And that's how you hear guys making a ton of money with this stuff. It's how I make a ton of money. We just take over everything. I'm telling you, it is absolutely the move. So guys, definitely make sure you get in and you sell it for these price points. So quick recap, okay? You can use this exact template that I'm giving you for free. You then need to reach out to local businesses, find one, okay, in your exact area. From there, reach out, either give them this exact website and say, hey, we can build you a new one, or, get their website, revibe code it, give it to them for free, okay? Again, you have this AI prompt, which again, we give to you for free in the community with Go High Level. And then from there, once you give this to them, get them on $297 per month. Then in the next couple months, upsell them to a $497 package so you have a lot more recurring money. And that is exactly what I would recommend you do because it is the simplest way to do this. So I know I just went over a lot of different stuff, okay? I don't want to overwhelm you. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I also have a ton of other videos I can send you on everything, tons of different stuff about reaching out to business. I have everything on this channel, okay? And also when you sign up with the 30-day free trial down below, you get everything for free. I just want to keep letting you know that it's not I'm okay, now here's for my 10K mastermind. You can just have this stuff for free. But I will say you have to be able to work hard. If you want to make a lot of money, you have to be willing to work hard. I say this all the time. For some reason, people forget it, but it's simple. If people are making online business sound complicated, A, they're trying to sell you some product to make it less complicated, but B, okay, which is the more important part, is they don't understand themselves. It's not complicated. All you got to do is have the right product, and you just reach out to business owners, and then you reach out again and again and again, and then you just spend a lot of time prospecting and a lot of time vibe coding, and you'll be good. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. I will answer them personally. Hit these landscapers hard. I'm telling you, it'll change everything. More importantly, go down below and get that link, sign up, get into my amazing free community. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to go over AI agents, okay? It's going to be one's talking on a website. It's going to be another one with a landscaper, which is going to show them talking to the people that come to the website. And you can put these on any website, including these. And the reason I want to show you these is because this is the upsell I was talking about, the AI agents. Yeah, I want you to learn the upsell because when you get them doing customer support and sales 24/7, there's a lot of money in that. So thanks again for watching, and watch that AI agent video that pops up right now.